London, it's a flat today. In New York, it's an apartment. Hey, in Britain, take the lift upstairs. In the US, elevators there. Chips in London on the plate. Fries in America taste great. Holiday across the sea. Vacation in the USA for me. Lift or elevator, flat or apartment later. Chips or fries, what do you say? English changes every day. British, American too. Different words for me and you.
Trousers in the UK style, pants in the US look and smile. Rubber in the UK at school, eraser in the US, same tool. Biscuit or cookie sweet, different name.